To make any 3D models in SolidWorks, at first you need to make sketch and then you can turn it into solid 3D model. So in this video, I will show you how to make sketch and give dimensions, then how to extrude the sketch. So at first you need to click on a new, then you can see three options. So you need to select part, as we are going to make a part, just a model. Now you can see that here is front plane, top plane, and right plane. You can select any of this plane. Let's take front plane. Okay. To make sketch, you can find the sketch option, sketch ribbon, and here you can see many commands like line, circle, rectangle, and many others. It is important to select your unit. If you want to draw your model sketch in centimeter, then select centimeter. If you need meter, then just select one of these. Top plane. Okay. Now I will take rectangle. Just draw a rectangle randomly. Now you need to give dimension. Here you can see there is option smart dimension. You need to select here and select any of the line. By default, the length is 8.2 centimeter, but I will change it to 10. Then press enter. Okay. Click here. 4. Okay. You can also select circle. Okay. Here you can see, as we have already selected the diameter length from this point to this point, 4 centimeters. So the diameter of this circle is already 4. I don't need to change it. Our sketch part is complete. Now if you want to make a 3D form, so you need to click on features. Here you can see this option, extruded boss base. Click here. Here you can see the color. If you want to extrude the full circle, then click on the corner of the circle. But if you want to if you need just extrude this part, then click here. Okay, done. I also select that. Okay, then you can see that this is a 3D model, a random 3D model, no meaning. Just I draw a model to show you how to extrude, how to sketch and give dimensions. Now, if you want to draw, the select here. Okay. Okay. If you want to make a hole into from here to here, just select this plane, draw another sketch. Now you need to select the extruded cut as you want to make a hole. Okay. Our object is ready.